In today's video, I'll show you how to install mods for Avatar Frontiers of Pandora on PC. Check my video description for this mod loader download link. Mod loader is required for all mods to work properly. Once you download done, check my video description for this mod list. Choose the mod you like to install. For this tutorial, I'm going to install few mods, 2 and 3. Once you download the mod you like, right click on the mod loader. Select WinRAR and select Open with WinRAR. Right click on the game and select Open File Location. Drag and drop this version.ll and version.ini inside of a game folder. Once you done this, go back and open the mod. In whatever mod you downloaded, you can able to see this blue folder. Just drag and drop the blue folder inside of a game folder. Do the same thing for other mods. Once you dropped all mods inside, launch the game. Once you are in game, press M key and go to character. And as you can see, the mod is working. So this way you can install mods. So I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.